Antarctica's seal secrets revealed. Antarctica is unlike any other place on Earth. It's a cold, icy land without native land mammals, reptiles, or amphibians. No trees or flowering plants can survive its severe climate, yet life finds a way to survive. The ice here acts like a time capsule, preserving stories from ancient creatures and past climate changes. One amazing discovery in Antarctica is the seals. Often called the pups of the ocean, these creatures look unassuming but are incredibly skilled at surviving. Weddell seals, for example, are perfectly adapted to the freezing conditions. They can dive over 2,000 feet into the ocean and hold their breath for more than an hour. But that's not all. Recent studies show that these seals have a sharp sense of smell. They use it to find breathing holes in thick ice and detect predators and prey even in the dark polar winter. But this wasn't the only surprising find. Scientists also discovered the remains of a giant bird that once flew over this icy land. This ancient bird suggests that Antarctica was once a very different place, possibly warmer and full of life. These discoveries challenge what we know about this remote continent. The seals and the giant bird show how life can adapt to extreme conditions. Every discovery from the ice provides more information about Earth's past climate and how species have evolved over time. It seems that Weddell seals might use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate through icy waters, like having a built-in GPS. This ability likely evolved to help them survive and hunt in their challenging environment. But the most astonishing part was discovered in early 2022, when a team of scientists found a massive breeding colony of these seals in the depths of the Weddell Sea. This finding is crucial as it provides new insights into how Weddell seals reproduce and adapt to extreme environments. The colony, located in a remote and unexplored area, offers a unique look into the life cycle of these animals and how they interact with the polar ecosystem. Learning about the seals' navigation skills and reproductive behaviors not only enhances our understanding of marine biology but also shows how species adapt to some of the harshest conditions on Earth. But there's more. Ongoing research continues to uncover fascinating details about the lives of Weddell seals, highlighting their incredible adaptability and resilience in the icy waters of Antarctica. There's a vast underwater area where ice fish live and breed. This space covers about 92 square miles, the size of Malta. In this nursery, there are around 60 million nests. Each nest, carefully made by the ice fish, is about 75 centimeters wide. These nests are homes for the fish and their thousands of eggs. Adult ice fish are highly protective parents. They clean the seabed for their nests and closely guard their eggs. This ensures that the eggs are safe from predators and strong ocean currents. The ice fish's dedication shows how well they have adapted to one of the coldest places on Earth. But this wasn't the only fascinating thing. These fish have clear blood. Unlike other fish, their blood lacks hemoglobin but contains special antifreeze proteins. These proteins stop ice crystals from forming in their bodies, allowing them to survive in freezing temperatures. Next, we discover how creatures like the ice fish thrive in the coldest places on Earth. Meloneized meat. Meet the meloneized meteorite. The ice fish's ability to live in such harsh conditions is remarkable. The Weddell Sea, where these fish live, is one of the last untouched marine ecosystems in the world. Studying this area helps us learn more about these resilient creatures and how to protect these pristine environments. Understanding the ice fish's survival tactics gives us valuable insights into how life can adapt to extreme conditions. A team of researchers made a startling discovery in Antarctica. They found 5 new meteorites, and one of them was among the largest ever found on the continent. This meteorite weighed about 17 pounds, roughly the size of a melon but much heavier due to its metallic makeup. Finding a meteorite this large is a big achievement because it's quite rare in Antarctica. About 100 meteorites of similar size have been found there. This new addition was a significant boost to the collection of space materials gathered in Antarctica. You might wonder why Antarctica is such a good place to find meteorites. It's not because more meteorites fall there, but because they are easier to spot and well-preserved. The vast white ice makes the dark rock stand out, and the cold, dry climate keeps them in good condition. After exploring the frozen landscape, we found even more amazing things about Earth and space. The treasures hidden under Antarctica's ice are just one part of its importance. The clear and well-preserved ice here makes it a perfect place to find meteorites. Each meteorite gives scientists valuable clues about space, helping to piece together the universe's vast history. These findings in the ice keep sparking excitement and pushing research forward. Every new discovery deepens our understanding of the universe and keeps scientists eager for more information. In a remarkable 2010 expedition, researchers from the Antarctic Geological Drilling Program used a robot with a camera to explore beneath the ice shelf. They were surprised to find thousands of tiny sea anemones living in the ice. Unlike any seen before, these sea anemones, living within the ice instead of on the ocean floor as usual, dangled their tentacles in the cold water like delicate flowers hanging from a ceiling. These were known as ghost excavator anemones. Each of these tiny creatures, measuring less than an inch long when contracted, could stretch up to 4 times their size, each bearing 20 to 24 tentacles. This showed how life adapts in unexpected ways to survive in harsh conditions. But this wasn't the most surprising part. In 2019, a team from the International Ocean Discovery Program made another unexpected find. While mapping the seafloor in the Scotia Sea north of mainland Antarctica, they accidentally collected ancient sedimentary DNA, or sedna, from up to 584 feet below the seabed. This lucky find of ancient DNA has opened new doors to understanding the long history of life in these remote oceanic areas. As researchers get ready to explore these genetic treasures, they aim to recreate the past ecosystems that once thrived in the now icy and barren Antarctic waters. The underwater history of Antarctica keeps evolving, revealing more with each discovery. The sedna contains genetic material from diatoms, tiny but significant ocean plants. These samples hold DNA up to 1 million years old, much older than previously known DNA from Arctic ice by 350,000 years. As temperatures keep dropping, scientists hope to find even older DNA samples. The colossal squid isn't just a myth, it's a real creature that has been studied a lot. It has the largest eyes of any animal, each up to 16 inches across. This squid can grow up to 46 feet long, and some reports suggest it could be even larger. Unlike the giant squid, which has tentacles with small-toothed suckers, the colossal squid has tentacles with sharp hooks perfect for catching and holding large prey, showing its skill as a predator in the deep sea. Deep in the ocean, the colossal squid awaits, revealing secrets of the deep sea. Beneath the waves in the ocean depths, the colossal squid remains one of the most fascinating creatures. Known for its enormous beak, the largest among squids, it can easily tear apart its prey. The colossal squid isn't just any predator, it's a master of ambush attacks. Despite its scary abilities, it avoids the ocean surface and lives in the dark depths, up to 6,890 feet below, making it rarely seen and facing few threats in its shadowy home. However, the sperm whale, one of the few animals that can challenge it, sometimes bears scars from battles with these giant squids. But what's truly surprising is how little we know about the colossal squid's life. It's believed to be a solitary hunter using stealth to capture its prey. The scarcity of direct encounters means there's still much to learn, making it a key subject of interest for marine scientists. In recent years, many expeditions have ventured into the ocean depths to learn more about this elusive giant, but sightings remain incredibly rare. Now let's talk about another adventure. Over 100 years ago, the polar regions were among Earth's last unexplored places. Ernest Shackleton and his crew were among those drawn to these icy realms. On December 5, 1914, their ship, the Endurance, set out from South Georgia Island towards Antarctica. Built to withstand the extreme conditions of the poles, the ship carried Shackleton, his team of scientists, and even a stowaway who later joined the crew. As they went further into the Weddell Sea, the ice grew thicker and more dangerous. Despite their best efforts, the Endurance got stuck in the ice, marking a significant but tragic moment in polar exploration history. Thank you so much for watching our video and supporting us. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to our channel, Insane of Curiosity. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family members to help us grow. Your support means the world to us. See you soon in the next video. Take care and stay curious.